I have to get out of here. This pool is disgusting.
This pool is so dirty.
Oh my god.
Gross! Too dirty.
Disgusting. Too dirty. We can't swim here.
Someone has to clean this place.
Why so much trash here? Someone has to clean this place.
Great idea. Everyone,
let's help clean the pool. Okay.
Clean it up.
I'll wash up this area.
So tired.
But there's still a lot of trash.
What about the pool?
We need to clean it too.
There's too much trash.
I think we need to find another solution.
I've got an idea. 2 hours later. The water cleaning machine is operating.
Well done. Good job.
The pool is almost clean.
We're about to swim.
Oh no, what about this pile of trash?
We can't clean all it up.
Don't worry, I have this garbage truck.
Really?
Look, there's garbage truck is full of trash.
It's gonna help us clean all it up.
Yeah!
The garbage truck is full.
Too dirty.
Oh, wow!
The pool is completely clean.
The pool has been cleaned. Everyone can go swimming now.
Time to swim.
The pool is clean now. Yeah, let's swimming.
Oh!
Water cleaning machine. How to build. Step 1. Build the conveyor. Step 2. Build the support structures. Step 3. How does it work? The street sweeper. How to build. Step 1. Build the body. Step 2. Build the conveyor. Step 3. Build the brush zone. Step 4. Build the head. Step 5. Testing the street sweeper.